Hi dear students, once again welcome back to my channel. So we'll be going to solve this question written on the screen. The minimum value of expression y is equal to mod x minus 1 plus mod x minus 2 plus mod x minus 3 plus mod x minus 4 plus mod x minus 5 plus mod x minus 6 plus mod x minus 7 plus mod x minus 8. So you might be wondering, sir, you left this two mod in between unmarked. Now I have marked them because they are the middle mods. So how they will be important for me? The minimum value is asked to so minimum value occurs at the point of symmetry. And what is the point of symmetry over here? X is equal to 4 is equal to 5 is the point of symmetry. That will be giving me the minimum value for this expression. So let us suppose somebody asked you the value of f. Y is equal to f of x. I'll be considering. So f of x I'll be writing mod of x minus 1 plus mod of x minus 2 plus mod of x minus 3 plus mod of x minus 4 plus mod of x minus 5 plus mod of x minus 6 plus mod of x minus 7 plus mod of x minus 8. So if f of 1 is asked to we'll be writing 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7. That will be becoming 7 multiplied by 8 by 2, that is 28. When f of 2 I'll be computing, that will be becoming 1 plus 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6. That will be becoming 6 multiplied by 7 by 2 plus 1, that is 22. When f of 3 I'll be computing, that will be becoming 2 plus 1 plus 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. So that will be becoming 5 into 6 by 2 plus 3, that is 18. When f of 4 I'll be computing, that will be becoming 3 plus 2 plus 1 plus 0. Then I'll be writing 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. That means what? 4 into 5 by 2 plus 6, that is 16. When f of 5 I'll be computing 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 plus 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3. That means what? 4 into 5 by 2 plus 6, that is 16. And f of 6 I'll be computing 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 plus 0 plus 1 plus 2. That means what? 5 into 6 by 2 plus 3, that is 18. Then f of 7 I'll be computing 6 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 plus 0 plus 1. That means what? 6 into 7 by 2 plus 1, that is 22. And when f of 8 I'll be computing 7 plus 6 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 plus 0. That means what? 7 into 8 by 2, that is 28. So guys, 28 and 28 2 times, 22 and 22 2 times, 18 and 18 2 times, and that are all greater than 16 over here. So the minimum value will be becoming what? 16. So 16 is the right answer for this question. So do we have any other alternative to solve this question that is typical than this method? Yeah, but we'll be going to see that thing also, because you should know each and every way to solve the given question. So to solve this question using that alternative, I would have to take the critical points, and to take the critical points you would have to divide, means how many mods are written over here? 8 mods are written by me over here, guys. We have written 8 mods over here. So I would have to consider all 8 critical points. Then I'll be dividing the number line into 9 intervals, and I'll be making use of that 9 intervals. We'll be rewriting the function and we'll be finding out its value. So first case I'll be considering x. Okay, let me rewrite the question again. So y is given to you as mod of x minus 1 plus mod of x minus 2 plus mod of x minus 3 plus mod of x minus 4 plus mod of x minus 5 plus mod of x minus 6 plus mod of x minus 7 plus mod of x minus 8. So first case I'll be considering x greater than equal to 8. Then second case I'll be considering 7 less than equal to x less than 8. Then the third case I'll be considering 6 less than equal to x less than 7. Then the fourth case I'll be considering 5 less than equal to x less than 6. Then the fifth case I'll be considering 4 less than equal to x less than 5. Then the sixth case I'll be considering 3 less than equal to x less than 4. Then the seventh case I'll be considering 2 less than equal to x less than 3. Then the eighth case I'll be considering 1 less than equal to x less than 2. For the first case, what will be written by me? Each and everything would be opening with the positive sign, so it will be becoming 8x minus 8 into 9 by 2, that is 8x minus 36, that is 64 minus 36, and that will be becoming 18 it is. So we will be getting 18 as the value of 28 will be the value of this thing over here. Now I will be writing y is equal to first mod would be the last mod now would be going to open with the positive sign, the negative sign, and everything else will be opening with the positive sign. So 7x minus 7 into 8 by 2, and the last thing I will be writing minus x plus 8, that means 6x will be there, and 28 minus 28 plus 8, that is minus 20, and x is 7 you are knowing, so 42 minus 20, that is 22 will be the result. So can you see this is 28, then 22, now 18 will be coming. Let me show you. So the first, second last and last mod would be opening with the negative sign, so 6x will be written by me, and then subtraction will be writing minus 6 into 7 by 2 minus x plus 7 minus x plus 8. So we will have 4x because 6x minus 2x, then 21 plus 15, so minus 6 minus 21 plus 15 minus 6, 6 4 24, 24 minus 6, that is 18. So 28, 22 and 18. Now definitely what we would be going to get the minimum value, that is 16 at the answer. So what will be getting? The first 5 mods with the positive sign, so minus 5x, minus 5 into 6 by 2, minus x plus 6, minus x plus 7, minus x plus 8. So we'll be getting 5x minus 3x, that is 2x, and minus 15. Minus 15 and plus 15 will be getting cancelled, so plus 6 will be getting. So 16 will be the answer, we will be going to get it over here. Now for the next case also we will be going to get 16 only as the answer. So now we will be getting 4x. Y is equal to 4x minus 4 into 5 by 2, and then we will be writing minus x plus 6 you had, we will be writing minus x plus 5 minus x plus 6 minus x plus 7 minus x plus 8. So guys, minus 4x and plus 4x would be getting cancelled over here. So we had what? Minus 10 and we have plus 11. So what will be remaining? Plus 1 will be remaining. So 15 plus 1 is 16 will be again the value over here. This is minimum value. We got the minimum value 16 over here and over here. Now we will be going to check next two values. That will be becoming 3x minus 3 into 2 by 3 into 4 by 2, sum of first three consecutive natural numbers, minus x plus 4 minus x plus 5 minus x plus 6 minus x plus 7 minus x plus 8. So minus 2x minus 3x minus 4x minus 5x plus 3x, so minus 2x. Minus 2x and minus 6 we had, so plus 6 will be getting cancelled with minus 6. We have 7, 9 and 7, 16, and 16 and 8, 24 will be getting. So 24 minus 6 when I will be doing, I will be getting 18 again over here. So 18 we got. After 18, 22 and 28 will be coming. Let's see how it will be written by me. So 2x minus 2 multiplied by 3 by 2 will be written by me. And now this time it will be what? Minus x plus 3, minus x plus 4, minus x plus 5, minus x plus 6, minus x plus 7 and minus x plus 8. So here have plus 2x, minus 2x cancelled, minus x minus 2x, minus 3x minus 4x, so minus 4x, and minus 3 we have, so plus 3 will be getting cancelled with it. Now we have what? Plus 4 plus 6 plus 10 plus 5 plus 15, 15 plus 15, 30, and when we'll be writing x is equal to 2, I'll be getting what? 22 over here. So 22 is not smaller than 16, so 16 is only the answer. Now I will be writing x minus 1 will be remaining, and after that we'll be writing with positive sign. Okay, but minus x plus 2, then minus x plus 3, minus x plus 4, minus x plus 5, minus x plus 6, then it will be becoming minus x plus 7, minus x plus 8. So finally we'll be having minus 7x, because the only sign which is becoming, if we are keeping in between 1 and 2, no, that is 1.5, let us suppose we are keeping. So minus x and plus x will be getting cancelled. Minus 2x, minus 3x, minus 4x, minus 5x, minus 6x. Minus 6x, sum of first 8 consecutive natural numbers. Minus 2 I will do, plus 1 I am doing, and minus 1 I did, so minus 2 it will be becoming. So 8 into 9 by 2, that is 4 9 36, and 36 minus 2 I will write. So minus 6x plus 34, and when x is equal to 1 will be substituted by me. So 34 minus 6 is equal to 28, which is not less than 16. So we'll be getting 16 only as the answer for this question. Same way we are getting 28 here, then we are getting 22 over here, then we are getting 18 over here. So guys, the same procedure is followed, but the easier way to make this question is the above method. Even we can consider the values which are in between 0 and 1, but that is not required. That will give me even the larger number than whatever we have generated till so far. So guys, hope you would have understood it, hope you would have enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Keep watching.